This question is from Raj Shekhar Prabhu. He asked, Hare Krishna Guruji, without the body, how do you know the existence of Atma?
Without the body, so Atma, we have two kinds of bodies. There is Stula Sarira and Sukshma Sarira. So Stula Sarira is the gross body, Sukshma Sarira is the subtle body. So earth, water, fire, air and space. Bhumi, Rapo, Analo, Vayu. So that is our Stula Sarira, gross body is made up of. But mind, intelligence and false ego, Ahankara, they make up our Sukshma Sarira. So that way we are our Sukshma Sarira from one body to another body, it comes with us. So our mind, intelligence and everything comes. Mind, intelligence and false ego, Ahankara, everything comes. So that way, without the body, means without the gross body, we will carry our mind, so everything with us, so we'll get into the next body. So, but we are able to use this life to do everything, remember, store our memory, all those things, because with the brain. So in the brain, everything is stored, all the memory and everything. So when we die in this life, we will forget everything. Everything is gone with this life, this body itself. So whatever we remember, whatever we know in this body is completely gone. When we die, it's completely erased. So then when we get into the next body, so again we will get, according to whatever body we get, as under the control of the three modes of material nature, we will start acting. So that's why with the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, we should be able to see very well that the modes of nature are very strong and powerful. They are controlling us. So then if you know the Bhagavad Gita knowledge very well, and if you follow Bhagavad Gita, so then by Krishna's mercy, he gives the knowledge, he gives remembrance, everything. So we can slowly, steadily, we can progress to Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. Like I was understanding that in order to understand the existence of the Atma, we need this body. Like, do we need this like Sukshma Sharira or the Sthula Sharira? Because without this help of this body, can we understand about the Atma?
We can actually only with the human body only we can really understand, ask these questions, because we have got special brain. So our brain has got the frontal lobe with where we can do all these executive functions which other animals they don't have. So that way this human body is very, very special to ask this question about ourselves and to know about ourselves and to liberate ourselves. This human body is a very, very special tool actually Krishna has given us. So we need to effectively make use of this tool. But otherwise, when we don't have this body, so we will always have this body. Either we go to Krishna's well or we will have this body. So if we are in animal bodies, we cannot ask this question. We will be simply under the control of the modes of nature. We will be doing, that's it. So only in the human body only you can ask this question.
Hare Krishna, Guruji. Thank you for the explanation.